The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Brent, Chris, Peter, guys, good morning. Do we have news today? I know we have crude. I know we have natural gas. Let's see what we got for news. Continuing an initial drug with claims. Who cares? October PPI, nothing. Guys, volume is, hey, Scott, good morning. Mark, Steven, Jacques, good morning, guys. Volume is once again fairly muted. Here's your NASDAQ. It's not bad, 70,000. There was a small long here at 48 on the NASDAQ. Small sequential decline. NASDAQ guys, a couple hundred buyers, nothing. 100 plus sellers in the YM, nothing. They've been selling Russell, 400 buyers in the ES, no real volume. Yesterday we had a nice move back up at the end of the day. For those of you guys that were still around, that 20 range, it did a nice job. I did take that trade. I got both targets. Let's see what we got here. 700 buyers in crude, 850 buyers in gold. And gold looks like it's going to roll over. Still in that same ugly little range. We're going higher in the NASDAQ. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go, fellas. If we can get above 52, we get above 52, we trade back to 57. Okay, Rick, I haven't seen it, but I haven't looked. I'll take care of it this afternoon for you. Congratulations. Hey, Darcy. Welcome, our newest member. Guys, at the moment, I have my bot on for copper. For coffee, will not give me a trade. For cotton. For bonds. And natural gas. Mrs. Gold. Well, we broke out of that garbage little range from yesterday, but not by much. $3. All right, guys. Gold is in a short on the bot. We still can't crack this 42 quarter. It's trying. Boy, is this thing struggling. There's just no volume. 5 sellers, 2 buyers. We're stuck right here. So the NASDAQ is moving up towards that target. We're going to have to get through next 46. Through 46, we'll get our target, guys.
He's not saying he can act more forcefully with conventional instruments.
Anybody still holding the NASDAQ runner? Opening imbalance, 30 minutes. Okay, Carlo. Opening imbalance, guys, 30 minutes before the open is about 25 million to sell. It's nothing. Gold, we should get that first target at VWAP. Or just above VWAP on the bot. Oh, if you guys want to move this out to 57, that's another valid target. 1 tick shy, fellas. I'm off by a tick. Here comes my first. Gold hit first target, did not fill.
Target filled.
First target off on gold on the bot. And just like that. So I'm off by a tick here, fellas, on this target at 47.5 for now. Eh, 49 quarters, another target. And above 52 still. We go. If you guys want your ticks, take them. Missed by a tick. Now on the gold, we have a small positive delta, 100 contracts, 130 cars. Yeah, I still think 51 is another target, but you guys trade them as you see fit. I'm trying to get this 47.5 on gold. Oh, trail is on, by the way. First target was hit. I should have taken 2 at VWAP, right? So I'm watching the gold, which I'll probably kill.
Order filled.
First target only. I'm out of gold. I should have taken 2 off at that first target. I have it set for 1, 1, and 1. but out of gold. And it may still come down, but I know we're going to hold VWAP, and we're stuck in this sideways range again. Guys, gold is now in a long on the bot. Pretty slow, but we'll see what we get. Dollar index is sideways. Let's see what we get here, guys. Gold on the bot, was moving up, sitting fairly choppy. We're in a buy zone on the NASDAQ. See if we can get a pullback. There's a pullback. That may be it. Let's see here, guys. Boy, this is just atrocious price action. Sideways again on the NASDAQ. Sideways everywhere. Flat pretty much everywhere. The 15 range went long. It missed first target by a tick on the 15 range. And the ES went long on the bot. It hit first target, didn't fill. Oh, God dang it. My ninja stopped working. Hang on, guys. NASDAQ got first target on the 15 range, fellas. First target's off. And here's my runner on the trade we're in. I missed my long on the 20 range when that shut down. The ES, as I said, hit first target. It hasn't filled it, but it did hit first target on the bot. Got a bull flag on the 500 tick.
More comments from Xi Jinping, Brazil saying that we should defend the multilaterals and the.
If we get up through 57, we go through 57. We should get to 60, 61. That'll be where I put my final target. Okay?
Order submitted.
61.
Order filled.
I'm out of the ES break even. Thank you, Ninja. Appreciate that.
China Xi's saying traditional and non-traditional security threats of a global nature are becoming more prominent.
Stop filled.
Out of the NASDAQ. First target only. DAX's bid got sellers in this candle. Here's the ES on the bot. It's in a short. Again, hasn't gone to target. The last one hit target, didn't fill first target. Russell is got a bid. We're into support on the NASDAQ in here. It's trying to find some bid. 41 is holding.
South African President Ramaphosa saying we've improved the business environment in South Africa.
Order filled.
We do currently have buyers
Stop filled.
in straight chop here, fellas. Just chop. Everywhere. NASDAQ's trying to turn up. This is going to take us out. This is where I'll kill this. Yeah. Thanks, Rob. Try telling me 2 handles ago. Guys, I've asked this before. You and one other guy are classic cases. I appreciate your trades. 2 handles? Really? You're pending trades. You're not hitting buy market. You know where you're pending. If you're gonna share trades, share them for everybody. Don't share them 2 handles late. Just ignore it. Don't even tell me. I don't need to know.
Order filled.
Chop. Chop, guys. Chop. I have no trades for me. ES support is 89.25. NASDAQ support is 41. These markets are as dull could be.
Order filled. Order filled.
I've turned off the ES. For now. Jeepers criminy. This is like yesterday, guys. Same slow, choppy stuff. I've taken 3 trades, 2 winners in the room.
With a full slate of Fed speakers today.
We're up a little bit, and I'll sit here. ES is at first target, didn't fill it. Par for the course. It's done that twice today. I know, it's totally liquid, though. It's totally liquid. It's always liquid. You can always sell ES. Sellers are stacking again.
Target filled.
There's another robocall. That's 5 today. And it's 10:34. Still sellers, fellas. Still sellers.
Order filled.
Gold went long on the bot. Trails on in the ES. All right, now if we can sell sellers still. Small, but sellers. You're not going to get along, I do not think. But DAX is turning over on the bot. We should follow. If the DAX is going to roll, we're going to roll. So first target hit on the 15 range. Trail on. I'm going to put, let's get to 40. Apple down $1. Come on down. Let's go. Another 200 sellers. The ES on the bot. The ES on the bot hit second target, but I've moved my second target out. Come on, NASDAQ, break it. Let's go. Sell them. Another 300 sellers in here, guys. Come on. Bust this 42. There it goes. Tried. Held it again. Bust it. It's holding 42. Got to 42 again. Held 42. God dang it, man. Seriously. Just sell it. Sell Apple off $10. Come on, break 42. Another 30 sellers in this candle. 41.50 is going to be pretty good support. It's still holding that 42, guys, which is nauseating. That may trade the DAX. The DAX is up $1,000. Crude, I don't know why that's, there we go. I mean, gold is moving towards its target, and the DAX is up $950. Has not taken first target yet. The 20 range on the NASDAQ just got first target. Come on, DAX, a little more. And the ES still has a runner.
Order filled.
Still holding this. But it did get targets. So I'm going to turn the trail off and go to break even. Okay? There's a $1,000 trade on the DAX. One tick, maybe two from target. 76. One tick. So I'm going to put them both at first target.
Target filled.
Okay. Gold got first target.
Target filled.
DAX got first target. And trail is on. I'm going to actually put it at break even, fellas. Okay? So the DAX is out first target. NASDAQ 15 range is up 345. Both targets hit. And then my third contract on gold all the way up here. All right? So I did 1, 1, and 1 on the ATM. NASDAQ, if we get up near 47, we'll blast it. If it bounces up to 47, we'll hit it in the room. Well, Russell surely is making a case for that. So their second target just hit on gold, fellas. And now, is the high of the day 71.1 on gold? Why, let me see. 71.2. So guess where my final target is? High of the day. Okay, 71.2. Okay. And that ES trade is still coming. Nice job, Randy. Randy went from down 800 to up 255. Oh, Sue. Nice job, Sue. Got to trust the bot. As Ron Bond says all the time, you got to trust the bot. Sometimes they will take losing trades. But when they start firing, all systems go, fellas. We're coming down to 36.50 on the NASDAQ next. It's a nice trade here on the ES, fellas. I just moved it out. Bonds are straight up bid. I think these indices are straight up cooked. Straight up cooked. Bonds are bid. Gold is bid. I'm going to go to 85 just for the heck of it. We got a shot of 85. Okay? Anybody in any of these trades, guys? I don't know what got target. Where? I don't even know what's in a trade that could have gotten target. That's always discerning. Oh, DAX, duh. DAX got all its targets. One trade on the DAX today. One trade. Up 1487.70. One trade. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Gold's going to go get that target. I'm going to try for a breakout on gold. Okay? So Kristen, for those of you guys that don't know Kristen, and many of you would not, Kristen was a former bond trader on Wall Street, right? Bonds. You traded bonds? John was a derivatives trader. I think you were a bond trader, right, Kristen?
The Italian 2-year yield rise.
She was down 560 live.
The Italian 10-year yield of 5 basis points on the day.
And she's now green.
92%.
Equities, large blocks. My apologies. Equities. She's now green. Guys, we're selling off. Whoa! Let me get this out of here. Crude. Let me get these out of here. We got crude inventories. Let me get my order flow. I don't have a trade yet, guys. I'm watching. That gold is up 40 ticks. New day high. 3 ticks shy of that final target I had, but new day high. So the first target's hit on the bot on crude. Come on, crude. Trump has admitted to bribery. When did Trump admit to bribery? Is Pelosi drinking again? When is Trump admitted to bribery? That's poppycock. All right, guys. I hate these inside candles. 32 should be our support. I don't want to see it break 32. We've pulled the 68 lower. We really should go. We really should see VWAP. Be that as it may. If we take it off here, it's a 28 tick trade. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. 28 ticks, fellas. I still don't think that this is going to short. If it does, I don't think it's going to be very far, guys. I really don't. I don't think this is going to go very far.
Target filled.
Still at buyers. Unless they're going to blow this thing out. I don't think so. Maybe. I mean, it could come to 10. We're coming back into that third standard deviation area. Let's see if it holds. What I'd like to see is maybe we tag the low or just above the low, and then buyers come in again. Doesn't look like it yet. Perry, I think we do have a few. At least one that I know of. Trust the bot. Closed oil up 680. Then got the short. First target hit. Indeed. Nice job. Trust the bot. And gold would have gotten target if I didn't close it out. The bot is short. The bot is short on crude on the 5-minute, and it hit first target but didn't take it, which is interesting. Very interesting. Small buyers, small net buyers on the day. What time is it? 11:15. Guys, we are going to wrap this up today at 11:30. I have a webinar today. I've got some one-on-ones to do. All right, I'm going to take this off and shut it off. It's off. I'm going to start shutting these off. All right, I've shut gold off for the day. Room's up 820. Okay. I've shut gold off. Gold is down today. First time in a while. Gold is down 190 on the session. Okay. So gold lost $190 today. Nothing.
Target filled.
Nothing. ES is in another long and just got first target. No trades today on bonds. They were in longs. Bonds are off. I've shut my bonds bot off. DAX is now off. DAX on the day, one trade up $1,487.70. That's off. Crude is still in the short on the 500 tick. First target hit, but nothing else. I have shut off coffee. No trades. I've shut off the dollar index today. No trades. I shut off wheat. No trades. I shut off soybeans. No trades. I'm shutting off the ES on the 5-minute. No trades. I'm shutting off copper. No trades. Natural gas. No trades. I'm going to leave gold on because one trade puts it green. I put gold back on. One trade, it's green. So one trade today on the Russell on the 15 range, up 380. That was that long this morning. The only trade the Russell's taken, up 380. Several trades on the NASDAQ 15 range, up 345. One trade or two trades on the 500 tick, down 180. So the 500 tick is down. 180 bucks. Turn the trail off. I'm just going to break even. So ES hit second target, fellas. Rick, those markets tend to trade better overnight, before we're even in the room. But I turn them on when I get up. 6:30. I turn 5:30. I love coffee. I believe part of the issue with getting trades in there. Yeah, if I look at wheat, for instance, wheat had a trade yesterday. It was a nice trade. It missed by a bar, and it's a nice trade, but it missed by a bar, and I'm not really watching it, so I didn't fire it. Problem with soybeans is we came in, and soybeans is already in a massive short from whatever 1402 is. 202 yesterday. 2, John, 2. I only use 2 time frames for the trend. I'm not using the more time frames you use for the trend. If you really want to filter trades, like just crazy filter trades, you will take far fewer of them than you use 3 or 4 time frames. You will get fewer trades. But again, they may be higher probability trades as well. So guys, my bots are off except for gold. I'm turning on. NASDAQ is not going to give me a trade on the 500 tick because it's in a long and it went long against red. I'm out. I'm off. Russell is already on the 15 range, is in longs. The NASDAQ is going to fire a long on the 15 range if anybody is interested. And the 20 range is trying to turn up as well. But I am done in the room with my trades. Okay? So my trades, guys, today up 820 on 6 trades. The first trade we took today was a losing trade on the NASDAQ. And then 5 consecutive winning trades. Okay? For 800 and change. 820. Anybody have any questions? Nice after yesterday's dismal 425 down beating. Are you guys all good? Do I have anybody losing money? Is there anybody losing money? I don't care if you're down in sim. I don't trade Forex, Rick. I may look at it, with the bot because we can trade it. Oh, Forex is the most crooked market going. It makes penny stocks look legitimate. You're welcome, Jim. Guys, do I have anybody in the room right now losing money? How much, Pete? How much? $56. There's your ES total for the day, up 262.50. Here's crude on the bot, second target on that short hit. And that's we didn't hold that 10, but we held 01. So when I close this trade out, that'll be final on crude. All right, I'll take it off.
Order filled.
Crude was down $40 today, 40. 40. Okay? We should bounce in here on crude. I'm not looking at order flow, but was down $40 on the small time frame. But it was up 300 on the 5-minute. Now, most of us don't trade the 5-minute, but down $40. Yeah, we may turn up. I'll leave it on. I'll leave it on. One more trade there and it's green too. No sense cutting its legs out, right? The NQ bots. Down 180 on the 500 tick. Nothing, no trades at all on the 3-minute, and I've just shut it off. Cotton is off. YM is off. This is currently in a trade, and it was up 3 something. I forgot what I said. 345. I mean, you can see the trades, right? My 20 ranges should be very green. I'm down $48 on the 20 range in my account. But I'll tell you why. Look, winner here, winner here. What are you on the 20 range? Tell me what you are, Dana. $55 up or down? So I'm down $48, but I'm going to be honest. On this short here, this 48 short, when it wouldn't break 42, I came out. I didn't hold the targets, or I'd have been well green. Well green. On this long here, I took this short. I lost on that trade, my first trade, at 947. Okay. On this trade here, I took this and got most of this. And as soon as I started seeing this pullback in here, I took ticks. Again, I didn't Ron Bond it. That's what we're going to call it from now on. You got to Ron Bond. You got to Ron Bond it. You got to trust the bot. Both targets hit. I should be well up. This should be well up. You guys can figure out the ticks on your own. Right? So you got a losing trade here, a winning trade here, and a big winning trade here. But I chooched it. You're down $55. I'm down 48. I'm still on, and I'll trade it all day. My best trade yesterday on the 20 range was that 230 trade or whatever it was, 240. I got both targets. We're not the. I mean, we are the same, and I don't know how you traded it, but you know, if you alligator armed it like I did, that's where you're at, right? Thousand times, the bot is a better trader than me. Powell's saying the notion that debt doesn't matter is wrong. Really? No kidding. I'm going to borrow $5,000 to pay my Amex bill. How does that work out? You still owe money. All right, fellas, so here's what I'm going to do. Yeah, well, it does matter when you can print money because at the end of the day, you still have to pay a price for it. Well, it does because it devalues it. It's at some point. Am I right? Am I right? Crude is now green on the day. As soon as we got rid of Europe, I don't care what it does. It's green. There you go. I'm at break even. Everything's green, fellas, except gold. I have my gold bot on. Gold is down 190. Everything else is green. Thank you, Rick. I'm going to stick around, guys. I got a few guys that are down. What I was going to say was, here's what I'm going to do, fellas. I'm going to take a quick break and just quickly eat. I'll come back. I do have a one-on-one at 1 o'clock with one of my members. I can stick around until about 12:30. I'll try to find you guys some trades, but I am not counting the trades for my totals. So whether they're winners or losers, I will change accounts. They are not going to count for my totals. I will do everything I can to get you guys ticks. I will never leave anybody down, ever. But I'm not counting the trades. Dion, I turn it on basically when we come in the room, the 20 range. So crude is now green, fellas. If we get one trade in gold, one small reversal, I mean, bonds are bid, gold is bid. No, I mean, you can leave it till closing because it gets so few trades. I missed that trade yesterday at 157 on the short. I would have taken it. And I got the trade on the long.
Order filled.
This is going to take it out. No, maybe not. If this breaks above this one standard deviation, it's going up. It'll at least get that second target, fellas. Anybody in this trade? Pete, did you take the trade? As I was saying, guys, I'll try to find you ticks. How about you, Tariq? I'll find you ticks, but I'm not counting them in my daily totals. I don't care if they make $1 million or lose $1 million. They are not part of my totals. Doesn't mean the trades will be any different. I'm just not willing to. Okay, Pete. I'm just not willing to give back anything of mine. All right, guys. I'm going to close it.
Order filled.
Bots off. Up 170. Up 170 on crude. The only instrument down on the bot today, guys, Gold. I need one trade in gold and it's green. I'll be right back.